Let us know about the shocking and dark truth of Allu Arjun drink and drive case. In 2014, the video of Allu Arjun went viral and shocked everyone. In this viral video, his heated argument with the Hyderabad police while driving drunk was exposed. The actor was also seen refusing to undergo breathalyzer test, which made the matter worse. After this incident, he faced severe criticism in the media. However, this was not the first time Allu Arjun's name had been involved in a controversy. Even before this, he had been caught in legal troubles many times. Plastic surgeries. Allu Arjun has also faced rumors about plastic surgery. Some reports say that he underwent cosmetic treatments to improve his look. It is believed that he changed his nose shape and jawline to look more appealing on the screen. Over the years, his appearance has noticeably changed for sure, which made people believe whether these rumors are actually true. However, Allu Arjun has never spoken openly about this topic. Despite these strong proofs, his fans always deny the fact and support him. Name in harassment case. In the month of September 2024, well-known choreographer Jani Master was accused of harassment by female choreographer and finally got arrested. In this case, Jani Master's wife Aisha accused Allu Arjun and director Sukumar for being involved in this case. According to her, many big and influential stars were hiding from this scandal. Insulting Indian Army. A complaint was filed by Srinivas Gaur against Allu Arjun during the promotion of Pushpa 2 at Jawahar Nagar police station in Hyderabad. In the complaint, Srinivas Gaur demanded legal action against Allu Arjun for using the term army to refer to his fan in a promotional post. According to the complaint, this usage reduced the sanctity and respect associated with the armed forces serving the country. Hyderabad Stampede case. While Pushpa is creating buzz across the country, Allu Arjun has been found himself in serious trouble instead of celebrating his success. The actor has been arrested due to a stampede case in Hyderabad. On December 4th, during the premiere of Pushpa 2 at Sandhya Theatre in Hyderabad, Allu Arjun made a surprise appearance. His arrival led to a stampede in the theatre, resulting in the tragic death of a 35-year-old woman and injuries to a child. The incident escalated to the court. After the arrest of 3 people, Allu Arjun also got entangled in legal trouble. An FIR was filed against him for the woman's death, after which the actor approached the Telangana High Court to request the cancellation of the FIR. However, despite his efforts, the actor was arrested.